Welcome to the Cardinal Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Kim Allen Williams, Chair of Medicine here at University of Louisville, and it's our pleasure this morning to host an amazing Grand Rounds. It's actually our Gaspar Care Scare lecture for 2025, and it was given by Dr. Michael Kraus, who is our wonderful transplant organ procurement expert. He talked about what should doctors know about organ procurement, opening the black box. Dr. Kraus, can you give us a 1-minute summary of your talk?
Absolutely. First, thanks for inviting me. It was wonderful, and thanks to the Kersker family. It's very nice of them to do this. Basically, what I wanted to get across is a sense of comfort in talking about donation from the physicians to their family members and friends, and understanding. You know, we go through a long training, and we never understand what organ procurement actually is. So I want to open up that surprise black box and cover what a procurement organization actually does, what it looks like to be a good procurement organization, and what we can do for the families and preserve organs and make sure the most gifts got. The most exciting thing to note is the rate of death on the waiting list is continuing to decrease because we're increasing organ donation every year, and I look forward to continuing to do that for the years to come.
We really appreciate the sensitivity to the families and the aftercare that you all have really organized and championed, because this is the toughest time of that family's life. And so it's really great to hear what you're doing, and wishing you further success.
Thank you so much.
And this has been a Cardinal Minute.